watching every time. So, I was at this parking lot on the highway, and I ran into the Japan Ground Self-Defense Force. It's such a rare sight in Japan.
I thought Japan doesn't have a military.
Surely, Japan's constitution says it will not go to war. But what if a foreign country attacks? That's why we only have the defense forces.
Since we are here, let's get a closer shoot. It's nice to be able to shoot bikes against this backdrop. Then, let's go for a ride on the motorway. We can see a beautiful view of Mount Fuji ahead of us. Wait a second. Someone in the comments asked us to wear a camera on the chest for shooting.
I already shoot this video before I have the comment. We promise I'll wear it on my chest for the next riding. So, feel free to leave your requests and feedback. Well then, sit back, relax, and enjoy the scenery. exit. We don't have any plans to go anywhere. We just saw Mount Fuji from the highway.
What? But we are around here, aren't we? There are plenty of delicious fish restaurants, hot springs and famous shrines nearby.
Can't help it. The uploader has a party tonight. So, we're back on the highway again.
I really wanted to try some fish dishes.
Yeah, he's going to eat a lot at the party. How about we enjoy the trip instead of complaining? Short break at a rest facility on the seafront.
I'm so impressed that the ocean is this close.
We can even see Mount Fuji in the distance.
If we come when the waves are high, we might be able to see an amazing sight.
It becomes close to traffic when a typhoon comes. This place is called Suruga Bay. It's one of Japan's best fishing grounds. I recommend trying some seafood dishes while you're here to see Mount Fuji.
I wanna eat some fish dishes.
Are you still not giving up on trying the fish dishes?
Thank you for your viewing. Ride safe each other.